Assessing values to a Pandas column with conditions depending on other columns. I have a data frame. I want to create a check column whose values are as follows. If a value in col has a duplicate and these duplicates have the same ID underscore res, the value of check is false for duplicates. If a value in col has duplicates and the ID underscore res of these duplicates are different, assign true in check for the largest ID underscore res value and false for the smallest. If a value in col has no duplicates, the value of check is false. The output I want is therefore I tried with group B but no satisfactory result. Can anyone help me please?
Create two Boolean masks, then combine them and find the highest ID underscore res value per call. Details.
You basically have three conditions, so use masks and take the logical intersection and /end. Output.
Фосфор там солнце.